Hello and welcome to another video with Speed in Need. Today we are going to get a glimpse of a car's safety test before you buy. Check out the top 5 most viewed crash test videos of the year from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety.
The Jeep Wrangler may be a beast on rugged terrain, but its high center of gravity doesn't bode well in the small front overlap crash test, as seen in the video above. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave the 2021 Wrangler a marginal rating in this test, highlighting its shortcomings in this area. The Ford Bronco, like the Jeep Wrangler, excels in off-road capabilities due to its high center of gravity, but this can prove to be a drawback in certain crash scenarios. However, as seen in the video, the Bronco performs better in the small front overlap test than its competition. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave the Bronco a good rating, surpassing the Jeep's marginal rating in this test. As the 2022 model year brings in the second generation of the Subaru BRZ Sport Coupe, fans and potential buyers alike are eager to see how the re-engineered vehicle performs in crash tests. The video of the BRZ crash test is a must-see for both curiosity and informed decision-making in the market. Admittedly, this one is a head-scratcher. The Chevrolet Spark is exiting production, and the 2013 model hasn't been relevant since it launched. Though, one of the many driving factors to push people to watch this test could have been the heavily inflated car prices, which pushed buyers to more affordable options that were previously off their radar.
Entry to Tesla's lineup was the top-viewed IIHS crash test last year, according to the safety organization. The battery-electric compact crossover received a good crash rating from IIHS, and racked up over 276,000 views since the test hit YouTube.